Pakistan is changing, and so is education. The University of South Asia proudly introduces Pakistan's first AI-integrated bachelor's degree programs. In our computer science program, students just don't study code. They build intelligent systems. This isn't future learning. It's today's training for tomorrow's world. In our media studies program, students don't just learn storytelling, they live it. With direct access to the news, our future journalists and anchors train in real broadcast studios. At the Faculty of Management Sciences, students turn ideas into startups. With the University of South Asia's Entrepreneur Development Program, they mastered branding, strategy, AI-powered market research, and learn how to become entrepreneurs. Our architecture students build the future in collaboration with USA's very own SkyX. We use AI-based tools for design, real-time mapping, and smart construction. Most importantly, with MyHealthAI, our DPT students step into the future of healthcare. From AI-powered diagnostics to virtual therapy tools, they're not just healing, they're innovating. Apply now to become a part of an ecosystem that is serving everyone in Pakistan and around the world.